I was alone and without any money. I bought a treadmill and I got a little room in a running shop. It was like 6 square meters. And I remember when we brought the treadmill there with my father, that in my stomach it was a really, really strange feeling, and I sharply remember that feelings. We are one of the biggest online coaching system in Hungary. We are working with more than 500 athletes right now. I really love to work with them and really love to make them better. When an athlete grows bigger than the master, it's a very nice moment. Sport performance is like chain, and every chain is as strong as the weakest link. When we measure it, we measure the lactate, we measure the heart rate, we see numbers, and those numbers are more objective than the experience of the athlete. If we see the secrets for an athlete, we can prepare them for sport events, and we can do them a proper individualized training plan, focusing on their weaknesses and on their goals. It's a 21st century coaching, I say, because we use the technological wearables. We see all the data of the training. I will see the athlete's heart rate, pace, cadence, power, the temperature during training, the elevation, and I can give feedback for the athlete. How did it happen? It was a good story. I was working to another firm. I was about to promote it, but in the last minute I wasn't. So I got angry and I bought a lactate measuring device, and that's where it all began. And now it's been almost 10 years ago. The other hard part was the papers. I'm not a financial guy or economical guy. I'm a sport guy, and learn these things: how to run a company, how to work with other colleagues, how to be a boss. From the very first moment, I believed in it. But a lot of fear that it's not working. I'm not good in it. I cannot run a company. I don't know how to really handle this fear. It's just focusing on the next step and let it go. It will come back. And let it go, come back and let it go, and just focusing on the next step, what I have to do with the business, what is the next step, where we can improve. When I'm focusing on these things, on the future, I don't care about the fears. We're working 99% of the time only online. I think we use online booking from 2014 December. A lot of booking came in and it was easier to handle with the system, not personally, not clicking, not doing anything manual. And my mother don't know how to use the computer. But when she can maintain booking, then it's okay. It's connected with our mailing system. We have 3 locations in the country. We have 4 rooms here. We have a lot of employees, so we use a lot of things on Trafft. Artificial intelligence is a very interesting thing. ChatGPT or something like that. Yeah, we use it, but not during the measurement, during our marketing process.